our ancient wisdom is very, very scientific. And in our ancient wisdom, your horoscope science was created, astrological science was created. The astrological science is that whatever karmas you had done in the past lives, the result, the fruit of this, you're going to experience in this life. And the calculation was done on the time of birth, the place of birth, the parents, and all those things, and they do the Faladesh. But the most interesting thing which you have to see is there are 12 houses. How many houses? The 12 houses. Now, 12 houses is the area which a human being must experience. I already told you, you are a being of light, and you created this human body to have humanly experiences. Now, what are those humanly experiences? Those Maharshis, the Bhrigu Maharshi, the Agastya Mahamuni, they tabulated in the form of 12 categories. The 12 category, first if I take the category of my own self, then my health. So they say सितारे बोलते हैं तुम्हारा स्वास्थ्य ये रहेगा. But basically what kind of health I want to experience? Now what is the kind of education I want to experience? The education, the health, what kind of spirituality level, the spiritual level I want to experience. Then what kind of relationship? Mata Pita Sukh, the relationship with parents. Bhai Behan Sukh, the relationship with brother sister. And then is the Pati Patni Sukh, that is relationship with the spouse. Then Samaj ki Pratishtha, how I am going to be respected in the society or not. Chal Achal Sampatti, whether I'll be very wealthy person and only the fluid cash, or I'll have a lot of land, farms, houses, Chalachal Sampatti, gold, whatever you call it. Then after that is the house, Sampatti, Ghar, Vahan, Adhyatma. So these are basically 12 categories where everybody, they want to experience. Am I right or not? Now how it happens? It is written in the horoscope how it happens. It happens with your thought process. Whatever is your thought, that is going to emit vibration, and that is what it is going to come into physical reality. You go to the doctor for a regular checkup. Modern science is very wonderful, but modern science of today is very primitive in front of the modern science after 50 years. Because after 50 years, they'll say, what was that was primitive, and now it is more. So, whatever science we say, but one thing scientifically I can say with authority, that this modern science is not a complete science. Can I say that, doctor, or not? Huh? Yes or no? Can I say with authority? Yes, it is not complete, because 20 years back, that was a modern science, but today it looks primitive. But when you go for a regular checkup and the thought is given to you, no, you have some complication, it has not come on the surface, but it is going to come on the surface. You buy the thought and then you start processing it, and you create a health hazard in your life. Or the horoscope says, no, you are very wealthy, but your partner is going to cheat you. Luckily, your partner is very nice, but you have come from the astrologer and you're looking at him, and when are you going to cheat me? Every day he comes and he says, "Arey bhai, dekho, itna munafa ho gaya, ye books mein dalo." He says, "Acha munafa to acha ho gaya, but when are you going to cheat me?" Now I am going to create the vibrations of my partner cheating me. He is a poised person, he is a wonderful person, but someday something will happen and a dip will take, and even he would not know, but he will land up cheating. And he will say, "My God, I have cheated." But he has done it, and you catch him. And he say, "Aha, satya ho gayi bhavishyavan."